I still remember lugging a massive Dubl stroller through airport security while my toddler screamed and my baby threw up on my shirt. It was a nightmare. Traveling with 2 kids is hard enough, but choosing a travel Dubl stroller that actually fits in a trunk, doesn't weigh a ton, and survives baggage claim? That feels impossible. Well, after dragging 6 of the most popular options across the country, I found out most of them are terrible. But one actually saved my sanity. Let me explain exactly which ones to skip and which one you actually need. 6. Uppababy Minu Duo. Best for families who already love the Uppababy ecosystem and don't mind spending a premium for brand familiarity. Well, I really wanted to love this one. I mean, Uppababy usually nails it with their single strollers, so when I got my hands on the Minu Duo, my expectations were pretty high. The fabric feels amazing, and the leather handles give it that premium vibe you expect. It folds up reasonably well for a side-by-side, and the underseat storage is actually accessible, which is surprisingly rare for travel strollers. You know, you can actually shove a diaper bag in there without having to aggressively squash it first. The fold, while compact enough for a trunk, isn't exactly a simple process when you're holding a squirming toddler. I found myself awkwardly wrestling with the release mechanism at the boarding gate. It takes a very specific flick of the wrist, and if you get it wrong, you're just standing there looking ridiculous while the flight attendant glares at you, waiting for you to board. Then there's the weight. For a travel stroller, it feels surprisingly heavy after you've been carrying it for more than 3 minutes. When we tested this on a long weekend trip, lifting it in and out of the rental car started to feel like an unwanted gym session. Sure, it feels sturdy, but you definitely pay the price in portability, which kind of defeats the purpose of buying a travel-specific stroller in the first place. 5. Summer Infant 3D Lite Dubl. Best for parents on a strict budget who just need something cheap for a quick weekend trip. You know, sometimes you just want something cheap that gets the job done. This summer has been around forever, and I bought it hoping it would be the ultimate budget hack. It is an umbrella fold stroller, which means it collapses down into a long, skinny shape rather than a flat square. The initial setup was super quick, and throwing it in the back of the minivan took zero thought. It has individual canopies, which is nice if one kid wants to sleep and the other wants to look around. And I will admit, the seats recline reasonably well for such a basic frame. When we took this to a theme park, both kids actually managed to take a decent nap in it. The storage pockets on the back of the canopies are also a lifesaver for holding your phone and a couple of snacks while you are walking around. But that is pretty much where the good stuff ends. Pushing this thing when fully loaded is an absolute chore. The handles are completely separate, which means you cannot push it with one hand. If you need to hold a coffee, check your phone, or grab a suitcase, you have to come to a complete stop. I mean, that is a huge deal breaker when you are navigating a busy airport by yourself. The storage baskets underneath are basically useless. Because of the crossbars supporting the frame, you cannot fit anything larger than a small jacket down there. 4. Silver Cross Jet Dubl. Best for parents who want a touch of luxury and need a stroller that folds incredibly small for tight spaces. The Silver Cross completely surprised me. Silver Cross is known for making massive, luxurious prams for royalty, so seeing them tackle an ultra-compact double travel stroller was intriguing. The first time I unboxed this, I was genuinely impressed by the build quality. The fabrics are beautifully tailored, and it just looks incredibly sophisticated sitting there. The magic of the stroller is the fold. It collapses down so small that it actually fits into most overhead airplane bins. I mean, think about that. You don't have to gate check it and pray the baggage handlers don't destroy it. We rolled it right down the plane aisle, folded it up, and tucked it away. It was an amazing feeling just walking off the plane without waiting at the jet bridge for 20 minutes. The push is also vastly superior to the budget options. It has this smart magnetic buckle system that I absolutely fell in love with. When you have a screaming toddler who is arching their back and refusing to sit down, fumbling with a puzzle buckle is the worst. These magnetic buckles just snap right into place effortlessly. It is one of those small details that makes a huge difference in your daily stress levels. Both seats have a full lie-flat recline, which is pretty rare in a double travel stroller this compact. We tested this during a long layover, and both kids were able to stretch out completely flat and sleep. Nuna TRVL Dubl. Best for families looking for an incredibly smooth ride and the easiest one-handed fold on the market. Nuna already makes some of my favorite gear, but they really knocked it out of the park with this one. The absolute best feature is the auto fold. You literally just slide a button, push forward slightly, and the entire double stroller folds itself down and stands up on its own. I mean, it feels like magic. I tested this while holding a baby on my hip and a heavy duffel bag over my shoulder. Being able to collapse the stroller with one hand without bending down is a lifesaver. You just grab the bumper bar and carry it away. It is incredibly well balanced when folded, so carrying it up a flight of stairs or loading it onto a shuttle bus is surprisingly easy. The wheels and suspension on the TRVL Dubl are incredible. We took this over cobblestones, cracked pavement, and even some light gravel, and it glided over everything with barely any resistance. The push is incredibly light. You can comfortably steer this side by side with just one hand, which is almost unheard of for a double stroller. The seats are incredibly plush and comfortable. Nuna uses these beautiful, breathable fabrics that kept my kids cool even on a hot travel day. The calf supports are adjustable, and the recline mechanism is smooth and quiet. Plus, the sun canopies are massive. They pull down really far, offering almost total blackout coverage, which is perfect for blocking out bright airport lights during nap time. 2. Baby Jogger City Tour 2 Dubl. Best for parents who need a workhorse travel stroller that handles like a dream but still fits through standard doorways. I have recommended the Baby Jogger to so many friends, and for good reason. It is the ultimate middle ground between everyday functionality and travel convenience. First of all, it is incredibly narrow for a side-by-side. At just 26.5 inches wide, it glides through standard doorways, tight store aisles, and crowded hotel lobbies without you having to apologize for running over people's toes. The fold is incredibly compact. While it does not auto-fold like the Nuna, the mechanism is very straightforward and reliable. You just press a button, pull up, and it folds completely flat. We managed to fit this into the trunk of a tiny rental sedan, along with 2 large suitcases, which honestly felt like a magic trick. It is lightweight enough that hoisting it into the car never feels like a burden. What I really love about this stroller is the rubberized tires. They are small enough to keep the stroller compact, but they grip the ground so much better than the cheap plastic wheels you find on most travel strollers. The suspension is fantastic. I found myself confidently pushing it over curbs and rough sidewalks without waking the sleeping kids. It just feels planted and secure. The seats are surprisingly roomy. My tall 3-year-old fit perfectly without his head hitting the canopy. Both seats recline almost flat independently, and the leg rests adjust easily. Zoe Twin Plus. Best for Disney trips, frequent flyers, and any family looking for the absolute lightest, most practical double stroller ever made. I mean, when you first pick it up, it actually breaks your brain a little because it only weighs 19 pounds. 19 pounds for a double stroller. That is lighter than a lot of single strollers on the market. When I lifted it out of the box, I genuinely thought they forgot to pack half the parts. Because it is so insanely light, traveling with it is an absolute joy. joy, getting it on and off airport trams, lifting it onto security belts, and tossing it into trunks takes zero effort. The fold is incredibly simple. You just pull up on 2 straps hidden in the seats, and it snaps in half instantly. It is so intuitive, you don't even need to read the manual. The massive 4-panel canopies are legendary for a reason. They extend all the way down past the bumper bar. When we took this to Disney, those canopies were a total lifesaver. They completely block out the sun and the crowds, creating a perfect dark little cave for naps. The kids slept right through the afternoon parade while we just kept walking. The storage and accessories are perfectly thought out for parents. It comes with a parent cup holder, child cup holders, and snack cups right out of the box. You don't have to buy them separately. The belly bar is great, and the push is incredibly smooth. Outro. That's all for today, folks.